In today's project, you will be asked to construct a regular hexagon and an equilateral triangle. They have very similar constructions, so I'm going to show you how to create both in this video. You will be using a compass as well as a straight edge. There are many different types of compasses, but they all have three components that are the same. They're all going to have a point that you place on the center of the circle. Here we have the end that does not have a pencil. We have the eye of the compass here, the eye of my compass here, and this golden circle, the eye of my compass here. All these points will not be drawing anything. They're simply placed on the center. You're going to have a way to change the size of your circle. This is how you choose your radius. With this compass, you can pull the two legs further apart or push them together. You can slide these two holes further away or closer. You can slide to make your circle larger or smaller, and you can choose whichever hole you'd like in this compass. And then all three will have a writing end. This is where you will place your pencil, or it's where the circle is drawn. This leg is my writing end. You can place your pencil in either of these holes. On the computer, this circle will draw, and with this one, you'll place your pencil in one of the holes of your choice. So step one today, you're going to place a point and draw a circle around it. So towards the center of your paper, plot a single dot. Then take your compass and place the center on that dot. You will then draw a circle of a radius of your choice. Remember this radius because you're going to use it for the rest of your construction. Step 2, plot a point on the circle and make an arc through the center with the same radius that you just used. So I place my point, I'll place the eye of my compass on that point, and then with the exact same radius, I draw an arc inside of my circle. Step 3, place the center of the compass on an end point of your arc and draw another arc with the same radius. So there are two endpoints, so I'm going to choose one and draw my arc through the center. Step 4, continue drawing arcs until you cannot draw more. So for my next one, I'll put the eye of my compass on the endpoint of the arc and draw my arc. Then I'm going to put the eye of my compass on the endpoint of that arc and draw an arc. Then I'm going to put the eye of my compass on the endpoint of an arc and draw my arc. And then I'll put the endpoint of my compass on the endpoint of the arc and draw my final arc. Notice that I could keep drawing arcs, but then I would just be outlining arcs I've already placed. Step 5. If you want to make a regular hexagon, you'll connect every single inscribed point. Every single point will be connected. If I shade this in, you can see that it's a regular hexagon. However, if you want to make an inscribed regular or equilateral triangle, instead of connecting every single point, you will connect every other point. So we have one line, two line, three lines to make an equilateral triangle. All right. Good luck with your project. Make them nice and colorful.